Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the NICHQ Vanderbilt assessment. So what is the NICHQ assessment? The NICHQ Vanderbilt Assessment Scale, or the National Institute for Children's Health Quality Vanderbilt Assessment, is used to assess children in order to check if they have ADHD. This examines whether ADHD is affecting a child's academic performance as well as their general behaviour. The scale has a questionnaire with items related to possible anxiety, depression, impatience, defiance, and more. Specifically, it covers the dimensions of predominantly inattentive subtype, predominantly hyperactive and impulsive subtype, ADHD combined inattention and hyperactivity, oppositional defiant conduct disorder screen, as well as anxiety and depression. It comes in two versions, one for teachers and one for parents, with this focusing on the assessment administered by teachers. As a result, it is commonly used by teachers across schools, including social workers. Here's how to use the NICHQ Vanderbilt assessment effectively. The first step is to complete the patient information and read the relevant instructions. You will then need to examine each symptom, checking the relevant notes before adding scores. Step 3 outlines that after some time, you'll need to complete a follow-up and repeating the same steps as Step 1 and Step 2. To complete, look at scoring instructions and consult the subtypes and screens for a rough diagnosis. To view a sample assessment of the NICHQ Vanderbilt, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download and access it for free. You can also access it via our platform, filter by community and by assessment, and you can also type in the keywords to find the note faster. You may also edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos in the future.